Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing our budget. So this is our second paycheck of September. Now this month we do have 3 paychecks, which is super exciting. It will be an extra paycheck that doesn't have our insurance or anything like that. So that extra payment or extra paycheck is going to help us with our Disney fund. So that's going to be super exciting. Now, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Thrifty Asian. I am a budgeter. I do a lot of budgeting videos, and I also do money challenges videos that I absolutely adore. If you like any of those, if any of those sound good to you, then you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and, you know, join my family. So today we are going to be doing our September budget for our second paycheck. We are going to be paying our bills. We're going to be stuffing our sinking funds and also stuffing our cash envelopes. Now I do this every 2 weeks and y'all know the drill. It's going to be a long video, so let's get right into it. So this paycheck, I got paid $2,078. Now going into paycheck number 2, which I need to get another pen real quick because I don't want to use black. Going into paycheck number 2, we are going to be spending $925 towards bills for paycheck number 2. So the house is going to be getting $118. Car will be getting $400. Light bill is getting $39. Phone is getting $50. Insurance is getting $38. Chase, which is my Disney card, is getting $98. And then Capital One is going to be $82. Now, if you watched my debt update, which I will link it at the end of this video, I asked y'all what should I do. Should I continue to pay the student loans until I get to exactly $20,000 and then it'll be forgiven, or should I just go ahead and do the Capital One and, you know, do that until I find out something about my student loans? And a lot of people has told me to just go ahead and start the Capital One because it is high interest, and yes, it is, because I got my bank statement or my statement for my credit card from the Capital One, and my interest was like $84, which is crazy, guys. So I went ahead and I put $82 towards that, the Capital One. It is going to be going towards the balance that is due next month, but I plan on putting some more extra money because I think my credit card bill is like $122 this month, which is crazy. So I put $82 and then I'll put some extra, probably like another $100 or another $80 next time. And also extra money from my side hustle as well. So like I said, we are spending $925 towards that. Let me just write it right here. $925. Okay, so that is it for our bills. Moving on to our food budget. So paycheck number 2, which I will write it right here. Food is going to be getting $100. Gas is going to be getting $140. Fund money is getting $100. Cushion is getting $300. And then savings is going to be getting $100. And that is going to be equals to $740. Now, this is our regular amount that we put towards cash envelopes and also towards our cushion and savings account. So that is $740. And then whenever we get closer to Disney, fund money is not going to get funded. It's going to go straight, that $100 is going to go straight to Disney. Gas is going to be used, of course, for gas because we are taking my 4Runner, which is going to be expensive on gas, but it has a lot of space and we'll need that if we're going to be gone for 5 days. Food wise, I think with $100, I think I might just do $100, but then put 50 towards Disney and 50 towards whenever we get back and have to buy groceries and everything. Cushion is still going to be the same, probably more, and then savings is still going to be $100 as always. That is going to be closer to Disney, which is going to be closer to October 8th. Now, moving on, I'm just going to flip to our sinking funds, but we are going to be doing our cash envelopes first. Now, like I said, we just went over how much we are going to be putting in each one. So groceries, like I said, is going to be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So $100. Gas is going to be getting $140. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. 20, 40, 60, 81, 1, 20, 40. Okay. So that is $140 for gas. And fund money, we do have some extra money, and this extra money is going to be going towards our money challenge. So what we have left over is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $10 is going to be going towards the money challenge. So it's going to be anywhere between the $100 envelope challenge or the Disney challenge, like the Disney food challenge. And then fund money is going to be getting $100. Now this week, when you're watching this on Saturday, I will be at yard sales. I'm going to be hanging out with my mom. So we're going to be doing some fun stuff. And then the week after that is Mom's birthday. So we're probably going to vlog a day in the life, which is going to be fun. So fund money is going to get $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So I'm trying not to spend a lot of money this weekend because I want to save it for my mom's birthday. So that is it for our cash envelopes. And we're going to be moving on to our sinking funds. Now our sinking funds, we are going to be doing for our medical, we're going to be getting $40. And then of course this is our starting balance, so it could be higher and it could be lower. I have spent some of our sinking funds. I can't remember exactly which ones, but are definitely going to be looking at, like, totally vacation. $1,500 went straight to the bank and I finished paying that off. So that's why we are at a zero balance technically. But if you watched my money challenge, you would know that we did stuff some money in the vacation, and I'll show you guys that. So car is going to be getting $30. Vacation is getting, it says $160, but I'm going to be setting aside $60 towards the Disney food challenge. So that is going to be, I'm going to do $100 and then just remind myself that 60 is going to be going towards the food challenge. Dobby is going to be getting $30. And we are stuffing $300, just to let y'all know. Christmas is getting $10. Special occasion is getting $10. Home is getting $5. Beauty is getting $5. And renewals is getting $10. So that will be exactly $300. Okay, so now we are going to be stuffing those. So medical is getting $40, so 20, 40. Let's see. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, and 98. So we have $198 for medical. $198. Car maintenance is getting $30. So 20 and 30. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, and 95. So we have $295. $295. And then once that reaches $500, I am going to deposit that into my savings account and then transfer it to my Capital One savings account that I have. It's a Capital One 360 savings account that literally I opened up a couple of years ago, maybe a few years ago actually. It only has $30 in there just to start it up, and I stopped putting money in there. So that is probably where I'm going to be putting most of my sinking funds when they reach $500 or so. So vacation is going to be getting $100. So we're going to take $60, which I think it's this one, 50 and 60. And we are going to be putting this towards the food challenges. So we're going to be putting $100, and we have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have $116, which is great. And we do have extra money coming towards that vacation. Like, we're going to be rolling my coins, which should be almost to $200, to be honest. And then we still have our side hustle, our eBay, you know, selling egg rolls, Macari. That stuff is coming at the end as well. So a lot of stuff, a lot of income coming everywhere. Dobby is going to be getting $30, 20, and 30. And we don't have anything planned besides maybe the groomers in a couple of weeks. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, and 80. So $80. Christmas is going to be getting $10. Now, a lot of people are going to be like, why are you putting money in Christmas? You already have $500 in Ibotta. Yes, I do, but I want to. So just let me do what I want to do. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 56. So I also have a $5 Target gift card, which is awesome. I did a deal with some like toothpaste, and I got money off of Ibotta, and then I got a $5 gift card, so that was exciting. So we're going to actually add that too. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and 56. So we actually have $556 for Christmas. $556. $556. And the 500 is from Ibotta. So currently on Ibotta, I do have $862, but anything over $500 is going straight towards Disney, and whenever I don't use, it's going to be going back for Christmas or whatever I want to use. Whatever leftover I have from Disney, which we will do a total different video after Disney, see how much money I spent and how much money I have left, and then we're going to use it to probably stuff some sinking funds or do something with it. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that as well. Next is special occasion, and special occasion is getting $10. And let's see. And I did use some because I did meet some of my friends for sushi. I haven't seen them in a while. So it was a special occasion. So we had that. So 5, maybe it was sushi. Where did we go? Oh, we went to like this Italian place pretty much. So 10, 15, 20, 21, and 22. So special occasion is $22. I can always use this money for Disney as well because it is our honeymoon, but we'll just see. So $22. I'm going to add that. Home is getting $5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $28 in home. And I did buy a tote for my eBay store pretty much. Beauty is going to be getting $5. And we have a $10 bill, so we have $15 towards beauty. And last but not least, we have renewals, and then I'll let you know what we're going to be doing with the rest of the money. We only have a $5 bill in there, so we have $15 total. So let's see how much our balance is for our sinking fund. So that is $198 plus $295 plus $116, $80. Oh. 80 plus, let's start over just in case. 198 plus 295 plus 116 plus 80 plus 556 plus 22 plus 28 plus 15 plus 15 equals to $1,325. So big difference, because last week we had $1,500 and this week we have just $1,300 left. Okay, so last but not least is going to be our eBay, our side hustle. So eBay, I actually made $28, and now this is from either 1 week or 2 weeks on eBay. I can't remember. I get paid every single Tuesday, so this is for 2 weeks because I withdraw it every 2 weeks. I still have Macari coming out, which I think is $15. And then I also spent, which I'm going to write it right here, egg rolls. And I earned $40 off of that. So our total is 28 plus 40 equals $68. And we are going to be putting that in our side hustle. And while you're watching this, I actually made a sale, so that is going to be some more money coming on Tuesday. And that's going to be a deposit, which I will not take it out until we get paid again. So 20, 40, 65, 67, and 68. And we are going to be putting that in the side hustle. And let's see how much money we have right now. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So we have $134 right now for this month in September for the side hustles. So that is good. Like I said, we still have money coming in, which is super exciting. I think we'll probably have about another $40 coming in. Hopefully more sales will come in the next couple of weeks before September ends, which would be super exciting. But anyways, so that is it, you guys. A little recap. We have a total of $1,325 in our sinking funds, and we did stuff $300 for that. Our September budget, we did pay $925 towards bills, and then our cushion fund, our savings account, and our cash envelopes totaled at $740. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for all of your love and support. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I would love for you to join my family. Yeah, we have a great time. You could just ask anybody in the comments below. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye, you guys.